In this video, let me show you how to send money using MoneyGram. MoneyGram is a financial service that allows individuals to send money internationally and domestically. MoneyGram offers various methods for sending and receiving money, including cash pickup, bank transfers, and mobile wallets. Here's how to send money using MoneyGram. Create or log into your MoneyGram account, tap Send Money, choose the recipient's country, and enter the amount. Next, select a delivery method, bank account, mobile wallet, or cash pickup. Enter the recipient's details, full name for cash pickup, bank account number, or mobile wallet link phone number. Choose a payment method like debit or credit card, bank transfer, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. Review all the info and confirm your transaction. You can also visit any nearby MoneyGram agent, bring your ID and cash. Fill out the send form with the recipient's name, country, and amount. Choose their preferred delivery method. Pay and receive a recipient with a reference number. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.